So Kolver is one of our top partners with our partner program, and what our program is it's really a referral program. And what you get from that is the ability to do co-marketing with us, where we do a lot of social media posts with LinkedIn and videos. We're talking webinars, as well as in-person workshops. Anything to be able to help us co-brand and be able to let our customers know that we are working together to be able to provide a larger solution to them. And it's on that note we're also able to add more value to the tools like what Kolver has with their customers. It allows them to be able to differentiate themselves from their competition, and then also allows them to be able to scale across a customer along with Pico, because we are a sticky solution for our customers.
It's really important for us at Kolver to surround ourselves in an ecosystem with experts in different fields of manufacturing. We do very well with screw driving technology. We're experts in our field. However, what we found over the years is that when we enter a small to mid-sized manufacturing facility, we would like to bring to their attention more than just what we can offer. And that's where partners like Pico are invaluable, quite frankly, because our goal to level up small to mid-sized manufacturers fits exactly into their ideology. And with that, we make a good team with helping to provide a little bit more than just a single solution across the shop floor.
You made a good point there. We're talking about small to medium-sized manufacturers. That's really the core of who we want to work with. And then anyone who's also doing assembly, as well as in the markets of automotive, electronics, medical, as well as aerospace, where things such as data collection, traceability, and real-time error proofing are going to be incredibly important to you.